Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we will be talking about how to frontside 180. So the first step to the frontside 180 is rotating your shoulders to, if you are goofy, to the right, and if you're regular, to the left. But I'm goofy, so I'm rotating my shoulders to the right, and it kind of makes that pivot on your skateboard. So you just want to keep practicing that until you get a good pivot. So the next step is to use the ollie that my other video is on. If you haven't seen that video, go click the tutorial in the top right corner. But if you are, then again, goofy, you would turn right. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing my ollie steps, and then I'm pivoting my board to the right. And then right here, what I'm doing is I'm rotating my full shoulders. If you're not going to get that full rotation, you are not going to do the full rotating motion with your board. Now, once again, I'm just using my ollie steps step by step and then adding that pivot towards it. And there you go. That's how to frontside 180. Have a blessed day.